Hey, you've been kind of quiet tonight. Everything okay?
Yeah, sort of. I've just been thinking a lot lately.
That usually means something important. Want to talk about it?
Yeah, I've been thinking about getting my first job and maybe moving out.
Moving out. Wow, that's a big step. What made you think about that?
I don't know. I just feel like it's time to do things on my own. Most of my friends already have part-time jobs. Some of them even have their own apartments.
So you feel a little behind.
Yeah, a little. I mean, I'm really thankful for everything here, but I don't want to rely on you forever.
That makes sense. Wanting independence is a good thing. But let's slow down for a second. Why do you want a job?
Of course, I want to make money, but also I want real life experience. I want to understand how the world works.
That's a great reason. A job teaches you more than just money. It teaches responsibility, time management, and how to work with people.
That's what I was thinking, but honestly, I'm also kind of nervous.
About what?
What if I'm not good enough? What if I mess everything up?
You probably will mess up.
Wow, thanks. That helps a lot.
Hey, listen, you'll mess up, and that's how you learn. Nobody starts a job knowing everything.
Did you feel like that at your first job?
Oh yeah, I was super nervous. I made mistakes all day and wanted to quit before lunch.
Seriously?
Seriously, but I didn't quit, and every day got a little better.
Okay, that actually makes me feel better.
Good. So what kind of job are you thinking about?
Maybe something simple, like a coffee shop or a retail store.
That's a perfect start. You'll learn customer service and how to manage your time.
But what about moving out? Do you think I'm ready for that?
That depends. Let me ask you a few things. Can you cook?
I can make instant noodles.
That's not cooking. That's survival.
Okay, fair enough.
Do you know how to manage money?
Kind of. But I've never paid rent or bills before.
That's when things get real. Living alone isn't just freedom, it's responsibility.
Yeah, I get that.
You'll have to pay rent, utilities, groceries, and save money for emergencies.
That sounds a little stressful.
It can be, but it's also rewarding. You learn a lot about yourself.
I want that. I want to grow and be more independent.
And you will. Just don't rush it. Growing up is not about leaving fast. It's about being ready.
So, do you think I should wait?
I think you should start with a job. Learn how to earn and manage money first. Then think about moving out.
Yeah, that makes sense.
There's no pressure. Take it step by step.
I guess I was trying to do everything at once.
That's how people get overwhelmed.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
How did you know you were ready to live on your own?
Honestly, I didn't fully know. I just felt ready enough. I had a job, some savings, and basic life skills.
So, you weren't 100% ready?
No one ever is.
That's actually really comforting.
Good. It should be.
What was the hardest part?
Probably the loneliness. At first, it feels exciting. Your own place, your own rules. But later, it gets quiet.
I never thought about that.
Also, everything becomes your responsibility. If something breaks, you fix it. If you're sick, you take care of yourself.
That sounds tough.
It is, but it also makes you stronger.
I want to be that strong.
You will be. Just take your time.
Okay, so step 1, get a job.
Exactly.
Step 2, save money.
Right?
Step 3, learn life skills.
Cooking, cleaning, budgeting, all of it.
And then maybe move out.
That's a solid plan.
Thanks, Tom. I really needed this talk.
Anytime.
I feel a lot better now.
Good. So when are you going to start applying for jobs?
Tomorrow.
That's what I like to hear.
Will you help me with my resume?
Of course.
And maybe teach me how to cook something besides noodles?
Deal. We'll start simple.
Like what?
Eggs.
Nice. Beginner level unlocked.
Exactly. One step at a time.